Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log in to HDFC online banking account using your mobile device. If you want to check your HDFC account on the go, logging into HDFC net banking from your mobile is quick and simple. First of all, open up any web browser on your smartphone. In the URL box, type in hdfcbank.com and search. You will then end up in the official site for HDFC Bank. Go ahead and tap on the login drop-down at the top right corner of the screen. Now select Net Banking option from the top of the screen. In the login area, you'll need to enter your customer ID or your user ID. Type it down in the text box and then click on Continue. On the next page, you'll be prompted to enter your password or IPIN. If you don't remember your password or IPIN, you can tap on the Forgot Password/IPIN link and follow through the reset process. If you remember your credential, you can type it down in the text box. Finally, click on Login and you will then be able to sign in to your HDFC online banking account. Once logged in, you can check your balance, view statements, transfer money, pay bills, and more. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.